Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cute little baby frock. So I'm making this frock for 6-month-old baby according to her measurements. So you can follow your measurements and you can make the same. So let's get started. So this is the fabric. I'm going to take two pieces, one for the front side and one for the back side. So whatever length you want, take that much and then add 2 more inches to it. And width will be like whatever width you want for the bottom part of your frock. So take that much. Like here I have taken around 15 inches. So this is your choice. So I have folded this fabric. Now I'm going to cut this out from the middle so that I will have two equal pieces. Now I am placing it like this according to my design of the fabric. So I have folded this in half. Now from the folded side I will start giving the marking. So from the folded side, first I will mark the half of the shoulder measurement, that is 4 inches. Now around 4 inches down I'm going to mark the measurement of my armhole measurement, and then here I will be marking the measurement of the chest. So whatever the measurement of your baby's round chest is, divided by 4 and then add 1 inch to it, and then mark the point here. Now I'm giving the marking for the neckline. So here I'm taking 1.7 for the neck width. Then I will mark a point here. Now from this point I'll go 2 inches down and I will mark the depth. Then I will make a simple round neck. And for the back neck I'm giving 1.5 inch of depth. Half inch down I'm giving the shoulder drop. Now from this corner I will take half inch and then I will make a curve for the armhole measurements. So for the babies we don't need front armhole or back armhole. So here I'm giving only one armhole measurement, and this will be same for the back also. Now I am taking 1 inch for the cutting and then I will join these 2 points like this. I'll take this line to the bottom part. Now I'm taking 1 inch from here and then I will make a gentle curve like this. Now I'm going to cut this out. So first I'm cutting the back neck, shoulders, armhole, so now I will remove the back side and I will cut the front neckline. You don't need to cut the front armhole here. So here my both the pieces are ready. Now I'm going to place this on the lining and I will cut the lining exactly the same. So here my lining part is also ready. Now I'm going to complete the neckline. So I will be giving stitch here and I will join both the pieces together, and then I will give stitch to the bottom part also. Here to the back side also I'm going to give stitch to the neckline and to the bottom part. So for the neckline I'm going to give 3-inch long line here at the center. So here I'm making around 3-inch long line, and now I will give stitch. So I'll start from one side and then near the line I'm going to give stitch, and then I will complete it till the another end. Here you can see how I'm giving this stitch. Now once you reach to this point you have to place a thread or a piece of fabric for the button. So just place it here and then give the stitch. Continue your stitch, then come to the another side and complete it. So here my stitch is complete and it's looking like this. Now I will give the cut. So here my both the pieces are ready with the stitch and bottom part is also done. Then I have given small notches also. And now I will turn this to the right side. Now from the right side, it's looking like this. Bottom part is also done and neckline is also done. And you can give a nice iron here and then give the top stitch. And this will be the loop for the button. And now I'm going to attach lace to the bottom part of my frock. So I have this pink color lace and I'm going to attach it here like this. So here I have attached my lace to the bottom part. Now I'm going to attach this lace to the front part like this. So I'll start from the middle of the shoulders and then I'll take it to the sides. So first I'm going to pin this and then I'm giving the stitch. So this lace is giving it an overlap effect. So here my lace is also attached and it is looking like this. I have given the top stitch to the neckline and back side is also done. Now I'm going to attach both the shoulders. Now I'm going to cut the sleeves. So for that I'm taking 15-inch long fabric and I'm taking 3-inch width. So this will be for the ruffle for my sleeves. So I'm taking 3-inch wide fabric and you have to take little long fabric because we are going to give small pleats to the sleeves. So that's why I'm taking 15-inch, but if you want more pleats then you can take little more long fabric. So you have to take 2 pieces like this. Now fold it from middle. Now this part will be folded and from here I'm going to cut it. So I will make this curve, a simple curve. Now cut this out. There is no any fixed measurement. I'm just making a small curve here. You can see very easily. So here my both the sleeves are ready. Now you have to fold the bottom part like this. Give very little small folds. So here I have given the fold and here my shoulders are also attached. Now I'm going to attach this sleeves part to the armhole. So take the middle part of the sleeve fabric and then place it here on the joining of the shoulders and make a small pleat and then pin this. Now again leaving little bit of gap, make one more pleat and then pin this. So just keep making the pleats and then pin this like so. So here you can see how I'm giving the stitch. Just give small little pleat and then give the stitch. Pin this first so that your work will be easy. So here you can see my sleeves are looking like this. These small little pleats are looking really pretty. So now I'm going to give the fittings to the frock. So I'll start from the sleeves part and then I'll go down to the bottom part. So here I have given the fittings and it's looking like this. Now I will turn this to the right side. Now give a nice iron and then press this from the sleeve side, and here is the back part, a small loop for the button. You can attach a beautiful button there. Here my frock is ready. So this is really easy to make. Just follow the measurement of your baby and you can make this frock for any age of girl. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something new, and if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.